Alright guys, let's react to this video right quick.
The Pacific is the deepest body of water on the planet. But sometimes the seabed shoots to the surface. Behold, one of nature's rarest sights. The creation of a new island. This is Kavachi in the Solomon Islands, one of the most active undersea volcanoes in the world.
That's crazy. Piece of land is being made right now. An island. That's crazy.
In the last 100 years, Kavachi's emerged above the waves just a handful of times. But so far, to no avail. Powerful waves keep sweeping its efforts away.
Look at that. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe for more.